Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the candidates who wants to do the PhD. But because even though if you are having the only post graduation without having any type of UGC NET or the GATE qualifications, there is no written examination for this university. You can directly go for the interview. Fine. So here the PhD as well as the integrated PhD admission notifications are announced, and with only post graduation, if you are selected for the full-time PhD, then you may get the 20,000 rupees per month as a fellowship. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are the PhD aspirants or there. It will be very much helpful to them. And apart from this one, whatever the job notifications you are looking for, so please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notifications to your mobile phone, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this PhD admission notification from the university. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30. And while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC NET online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is an information brochure regarding the research programs in December 2021. So here total the 6 pages are there. I will cover the main points and then I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, you may visit the official website also. And the college is Vellore Institute of Technology, deemed to be university under the section 3 of UGC Act 1956 and the NAC A++ accreditation. Okay, so here from Vellore, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh and Bhopal. In these 4 cities, the VIT branch is there. So the interested candidates may choose any one of this center. Okay. So the VIT attracts students from all 29 states of India and more than 41 different countries because of its academic excellence. So first we will see from which subjects the PhDs are announced. Okay. And then we will see the important dates and then we will see the remaining details. So School of Advanced Sciences, School of Biosciences and Technology, School of Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics Engineering, Information Technology and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Social Sciences and Languages and Social Science and Humanities, Business School, Law School and Fashion Technology. Okay, so PhD and integrated PhD is only for the engineering disciplines. Okay, and Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Geology are under SAS, and English, Sociology, Psychology are under SSL, and both CSE and IT are under the SCOOP. Management Sciences under the VITBS, Thermal Automotive, Materials, Manufacturing, Design, Automation are under the SEM, EC and VIT Chennai campus. Okay, and coming to the VIT Andhra Pradesh, CSA and IT Scoop, and Maths, Physics, Chemistry are under the SAS, Electronics and Electrical are under the SENS, Management Science, Economics are under the VIT BS, English, Anthropology, Sociology are under the School of Social Science and Humanities in VIT Andhra Pradesh. Coming to the Maths, Physics and Chemistry under the SAS and Computer and Information Engineering under the Scoop. Electrical Engineering is under the Select, Electronics Engineering is under the SENS, English is under the School of Social Science and Languages, Management Science is under the VIT BS in VIT Bhopal. Okay, so these things you should know at the time of filling up of the online application. Okay, if you belongs to these subjects, then you may proceed here. So first I will show you the important dates here. Last date of online submission is 30th October 2021. And the last date for uploading the certificates, qualifying degree, mark list like the PG for PhD and UG for the integrated PhD, it is also the 30th October. And the date of online interview to be conducted by respective campuses, VIT Vellore and Chennai, VIT Andhra Pradesh and Bhopal, 17th November to 20th November. That means the interview is also online, no need to physically attend there. The declaration of result is 1st December 2021. Fine. And the last date for payment of tuition fee is 10th December 2021. Fine. So these are all the details, guys, and the template also you can check here. And if you're having any queries regarding this one, then here the mail ID is also provided, so you may contact to that mail ID. And while coming to the remaining details, so what are the qualifications required and how much stipend they will provide, all these things we will see one by one. So minimum qualification for admission 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, that means 10th class plus 10 plus 2 intermediate, and BTech and MTech, okay, post graduation. And while coming to the non-engineering, so degree plus post graduation. And for the integrated MTech program and MS they given here. So coming to the PhD in engineering, master's degree is enough with a minimum of 60% of marks, okay. And MSc computer science or MSc IT MCA degree holders are not eligible to apply for the PhD program, okay. And for integrated PhD, they mention the qualifications here: bachelor's degree with minimum 80% of marks. And for PhD in sciences, master's degree with 60%, in languages, master's degree with 60%, and in management, master's degree with 60%, and law, the same thing. PhD in fashion technology, the same thing, okay. And the category and the eligibility, so internal full-time as well as external part-time. So internal full-time means a candidate who wishes to work for PhD or integrated PhD degree on full-time basis, including the project staff working in sponsored projects, should apply in the prescribed form. And coming to the external part-time, applicable only for VIT Chennai and the Bhopal campuses. So you may check down, guys. Teachers who are working in other colleges in a permanent position, and the sponsored candidates, and private industries like this. And for the international or the NRI candidates, the selection procedure is given here, and the minimum period of study is also given here. So here the minimum period of study and research from the date of registration of PhD to the last date of submission of this is 30 months for the full-time and 36 months for the part-time. And while coming to the integrated, 4 years. Selection procedure for Indian nationals, that means the national students. Due to COVID-19, there is no entrance examination. Selection is based upon the PG marks and the research proposal and the interview. So please upload all the PG mark sheets semester-wise. Okay, and the research proposal you have to fill up the online application form. Okay, and the integrated PhD is also mentioned here, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the fee is also mentioned here. Internal full-time is 3,000 caution deposit and tuition fee 40,000 and thesis fee 10,000 rupees. Okay, so it is a fee, and this fee is to be paid at the time of submission only. The joining of the research program is given here. And coming to the research fellowship, the all internal full-time research scholars admitted into the PhD program will get 20,000 rupees per month for the 3 years. Wonderful opportunity to the postgraduate, so please utilize this opportunity. And internal full-time scholars admitted into the integrated PhD program will get the fellowship of 12,000 rupees per month for first 2 years and 20,000 rupees per month for the next 2 years. Okay. Next, all internal full-time scholars who have the valid GATE score of 80 percentile will get the 25,000 rupees per month. So apart from this one, the candidates who are having the JRF are encouraged to apply. Fine. So these are the details, guys, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you please check out. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues. And apart from this one, what are the job requirements you are having? Please mention your job requirements in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription.